All right. Hello, hello, hello. How's it going, guys and gals? How you doing today? Viewers, thanks for hitting that like button. Where you been? That's awesome. Appreciate you checking out the stream or the video. How's it going? Quick shout out to subscribers. Thank you for the support of the channel. Appreciate you guys being, well, not being quitters. Let's go. Gotta get into the vibes. Oh, streaming again. Oh, joy. Alright, let's get into this. We're gonna make another attempt at this. Running as administrator. Okay, guys. Take notes. Dun, 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 dun. Bringing up the application. All right, so far so good. Let's try out a few things here. We got to work some problems, try to get this fixed. Build, I guess. Okay, nothing there. All right, didn't say succeeded, but let's see if we actually could do stuff. Okay, application running. That's good. Let's check this out. That's good. Clear button. Click me works. Exit. Now I have to actually take note of that too. I didn't do that last stream. Okay, let's get into this. We're just gonna drive right into it. Okay, the issue is, well, what is the issue? The issue is unable to copy a file from obj Debug to bin debug, and you know, I'm kind of kicking myself. I should have clued into some things here. Being a supposedly computer guy, I prefer hardware more than software troubleshooting, I'll be honest. Okay, so here we go. The diagnostic code is emitted when an error occurs when trying to copy a file. Okay. The error text from the operating system. Okay, it's not the Visual Studio itself. Okay, guys, just take notes. All right. I don't even know why I was mentioning Visual Studio devs. Maybe because people kind of give them a hard time too. Maybe. Don't give them a hard time. Okay. Sometimes it's the user. Maybe it's all the time. Just have to bite the bullet, eat it, realize, hey, maybe it's me, you know? And it is me. The error text from the operating system is displayed, which usually provides specific information about the failure, okay? Now, I know you guys could read the rest, but that's basically it in a nutshell there. Okay, what else do we have? So what we've done so far, all right, just to kind of get an idea. All right, one of the solutions that we had was from Chaosifier, awesome dude, and recommended going into properties and then into build events and adding this bit of code, okay, into pre-build event command line. Okay. So we have that still. All right. The comments has that code in the prior, probably the, well, prior to this, the second video prior to this. Okay. And then we continue on and we try some other solutions. Okay. Let's see what else we had to do. Deleting the sudo file. Okay, was one of them. We're just going to go into here. It's probably still there. Do I do the same steps regardless? But there are some other steps we have to do as well. .NET 4.8. Okay, so that sudo file should be in here somewhere. It's in the version 17 folder. Yeah. I'm going to leave it for now. We're going to try something else because this always comes back, okay, regardless. I mean, these are kind of suggestions from others that you could try, but a lot of times people are trying these suggestions, but they're not really solving the problem. Others suggest clean the solution, close all open documents, basically exit Visual Studio and then run it again, build solution. Okay, that is kind of a band-aid fix, might work for a little bit, but then the problem comes back, right? What else? I'm trying to make this the last video on how to fix this, and hopefully maybe we get through it. Either that, we don't have a solution. Okay, so we did that. Build events. Let's see what else. Okay. This other one, yeah, in the code behind. Okay. User Michael Petrota recommended. Okay, so he's saying this is happening because your project name process is not closing after finishing debugging, right? Okay, so this is where the task manager comes in. Okay, there are two solutions to this problem. Every time you make a change to the application, go to your task manager. Okay, you can just type task. All right, bring it up. Okay, now I don't really have to share task manager. You guys know what it looks like. So what you want to look for is your project name. Okay, you can click name in processes, under processes, and it'll quickly sort it for you. Sort the list of all the processes running. Okay, so mine starts with I. Right now I'm not seeing it, so it's not in the background right now. We did do a build. So his suggestion, add an exit button. Okay, going to here. There it is. So I have an exit button, right? And he suggested adding in this line here. Okay, systems, diagnostics, process, current, get current process and kill. Okay, chaining a couple of methods here, and then of course you got your application current shutdown, or you could do this code as well. It doesn't matter, it all works the same. Application.exit. Okay, of course, you know, having two isn't a good thing. All right, so there's that. So, and I just realized after, like, what was I thinking? It's just habit when you're running, you know. Okay, all right, we built, we're good. Okay, now I'm starting to get, you know, these aren't the same errors, but it's not recognizing this. Okay, so I usually click the X, just habit, I guess, but you want to hit exit, right? Because obviously that's the button that is killing the process, right? So if you check your task manager again, hopefully the process is killed, because you'll notice there'll actually be maybe 3 or 4 of your applications running in task manager, and they need to be killed, right? That's why you're getting the can't do it, unable to copy, because the application is still running in the background to that effect, right? Let's do a little clean here. I don't know if that's going to clean anything up, but of course we got more things, and there we go. Okay, could not find the file, blah blah blah, okay. What else? Error reading content of source file, could not find this. Okay, so, and yeah, I'll admit I was a little slow on the uptake on realizing this, but there is something else to do. So do I delete the SCO file? No, we're gonna try something else first. Okay, build and clean and such, don't really need to do that, but I'm gonna actually just close the solution here. I'm just going to close it. And so, and then go into your task manager. Make sure there are no processes running, okay, for your project name. And I'll have a look here. I think we should be okay, I hope. Let's see. It's under the name list, guys, okay, when you bring your task manager up. All right, and then you just right click on it and then end task. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay, I'm not seeing it in my list, so we're okay, hopefully. All right, what was the other thing to do? People are recommending deleting your bin folder. I mean, that's just a temporary band-aid again. That folder comes back regardless if you delete it. Even same thing with the obj file. So the problem is, and then this is it. This is where I'm kind of kicking myself. Okay, the first thing you need to do is, okay, check your settings. Okay, go into settings. Right? And what is it under? Just trying to recall here. Hold up. No, it was not settings, it was control panel. That's what it was. Okay, under your user accounts, and then go to user accounts. Okay, and this is the furthest I'm going to go, but just double check that you have administrator rights, okay, on your main, like whatever you're logged into. And then you just go change your account type. Okay, so make sure you are admin as well. And then we actually have to go into here. Okay, so obviously I'm confirming. And the other thing that somebody was suggesting, all right, it was the, let me bring that up again. Right here, okay. Make sure the file is not in use, obviously, and that MS build has write permissions on the destination folder, and that there is sufficient space on the disk. Okay, so that's the other thing. Make sure you have sufficient space, right? So everything's on my C drive. Go to properties, and I definitely have sufficient space, right? So I know I'm good on that. Okay, check that as well. Make sure you have admin rights. Run the software as administrator. But here's the other thing, okay? It's the bin folder. So what it's saying is, okay, right here. I'll just go like this. I don't have anything. I'll just bring up, I don't know, Notepad here quickly. And bring it over. Whoops, that's not it. I thought I copied that. Okay, Control C. There. Okay, unable to copy a file from the obj to debug. Okay, now with that said, how many notepads do I got? Hold up. I'm just gonna, I don't want to close it, but I want to merge them together here. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, they're merged together. Okay, so carrying on. Where is that? Okay, and obviously I was using debug while I'm, building and such, not in release mode, right? So the bin folder itself, okay, I don't know, like, again, it's titled unable to copy from the obj to the bin. All right, that's what it's saying. So I'm saying that, repeating that, is because they're suggesting select the bin folder. Okay, you want to see the properties of it. And here's where I'm kicking myself. It's like, why didn't I think of that? Right here, read only. Read only applies to files in this folder. Okay, make sure that's not selected. All right. Now I don't know if you have to do the same thing with the obj folder as well. Apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. Okay, there. All right, so this could be the issue right here, which is really kind of almost obvious. So, and then you can also go right click properties and then go to your security, right? I'm running as administrator, and then make sure you're like the system has full control, right? Don't change that. Don't mess with the system. Okay, system has full control, administrator has full control. Okay, the key is to make sure, well, obviously you want the system to have full control as well. All right, so that's just right click properties and then security tab. Okay, and why didn't that apply? That's odd. Apply. Okay. Let's just refresh this, find out. Okay, hold up. Bob. Okay. Strange how it's selected again. It's odd. Okay, bin folder, properties, and it's back to read only again. Why is it doing that? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's indexing. That's just for fast searching. Keeps going back to read only. Immediately too, which is really messed up. Man, I'm really hoping that, that's why I'm streaming this, so it can actually help solve this problem. It's not going to solve if it keeps doing that, and I'm just thinking of why it's doing that. Interesting. I'm going to try with the obj folder, doing the same thing. Properties. I don't think you have to restart your system. Maybe you shouldn't have to. Read only, apply. Okay. Now if the settings would just stay, then we can actually get somewhere. Okay, and it's the same thing with the obj. It's doing the same thing. Properties, security, full control. System has full control in the obj. Well, obviously I'm live streaming. Like, I would just restart my PC just to see if the changes take effect, right? And that was really what I was hoping would work for a fix, but it keeps going back to read only. Messed up. Okay, well, that sucks. Not really solving a problem. It seems like there's something more you need to do. I haven't deleted any OBJs. We're gonna still come across right here immediately. Same. Oh, hang on. If that won't change, this is locked. It says infraction exe is locked. Do I have processes running here? I'm just gonna give it a clean. That succeeded, even though it doesn't feel like anything happens. That built. We may even be still able to run, which is nice, but okay, everything went away. Oh man, it's just kind of messes with your head a little bit, you know? Processes, hang on, hold up. Click this exit instead of the other one. Okay, I was gonna go to the exe file itself. Okay, so just to show, I know I'm not sharing much here, but you have this infraction app exe, right? Go to the properties of that. Still not there. This is not set to read only. Okay, and system has full control. Same thing with the admin, right? If you're set up as an admin. I wonder if it's maybe this debug folder. I don't know. Let's try this. Okay, I'll look again. Went back to read only. Like I can't even. I honestly can't even. There's not much I could do unless you go deeper into it, right? Okay, no process is running. Wow, I was honestly hoping to have a fix for you guys. Just looking here again. I mean, I feel like we tried everything we could do. The only other thing I could think of is maybe restart your system for the changes to take effect. That's honestly the only thing I could think of. The actual bin folder, right? I don't know why I keep doing that, but old habits. Right here. I thought maybe hitting OK would work, but crazy. And then same thing with here. Well, maybe we can actually do a little bit of coding now. I don't know. We'll see. But I feel like it's going to come back. I'm going to stop the stream and I'm going to restart my system and see if the folder changes are going to take effect. Sometimes given a restart, you know, kind of updates and refreshes everything. Just because you make changes doesn't mean it's immediate, right? All right, guys. Wish me luck. Those are kind of the steps. This is the best advice I can give you right now. Obviously, I'm going through the same problem. Hoping to help you guys fix it as well. Quicker. And yeah, I'm just going to end the stream. Appreciate you watching. And I'm going to restart my system. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.